time to get the fire started. I use a little lighter with a long neck on it to keep my hands away from the fire. And I'm just gonna get a little fire started. I have just a few pieces of paper that I use. I usually kind of fold them in half and quarters, and then I wrap them a little tightly. It keeps the fire on the paper a little bit longer than having it just light and fluffy. And then immediately after the fire starts here, it's going to try to go right into those little pieces of kindling here, the pine, and that's the only pine I use. And once that starts igniting, it's going to start getting into the pieces of the seasoned hardwood. So usually I keep the door open unless it's kind of windy. Then I'll close it a little bit more just to give it a little less air movement, but I want some air movement to get it to start the fire with. Once I get it going really well, then I'm going to leave the door shut or almost shut. Okay, fire is rolling really nicely. It's starting to collapse on itself. That's what we want. So I'm just going to close the door at this point, and I'll come back and check on it in another 15 or 20 minutes, maybe add another piece of wood. If you enjoy our videos and like the Brick Oven lifestyle, please feel free to subscribe so we can send you new videos and updates.